Hello YouTube. I recently bought Aspen Silent Mini Silence Plus 5th generation. I will just show you what this pump here, this water pump that is on my cooling system here. And I installed this to replace something else that I will show you afterward. So here I open it, I have some water here. I will put some water just to simulate what it happened when it's turned on. So you see the water level is going up. I'm really close to it to show you the noise that it will make. Do you hear something? Normally you should hear it. But it's really slight. It's really, it makes no noise. Here I'm really close to it, but my phone is really close to it. My head is a bit more distant, and it's really hard to notice this sound. And when you look, it was nearly full, and now it is half full about. Let's see the other piece of shit. When I asked for this cooling system, I asked to have something that makes no noise. No noise because I don't like when there is a lot of noise. And yeah, so the cooling system is really not noisy at all. But this piece of shit here, it's a Sauermann S10. It makes a lot of noise. We'll see it. It feels like during the night, because the issue is when you turn this cooling system down, it continues to drop water, and it will be filled 5 or 6 hours after you turn it off. So if you turn it off at let's say 7 p.m. or something like that, you will be bothered in the middle of the night with this heavy noise that it is making. And it feels like having a senseo machine that is turned on and that is making some coffee. And as I have 3 at the same floor, then I have 3 times the chance to hear this piece of crap. Let me show you again. So here I open it also, and here I have the old one. See, it's about 1/4 of the water that is removed. I will again simulate some water. And you will see some nice noise. And this one is not the one that is making the more noise. The one that was making the more noise was the one that I removed, because the one that I removed, I guess that here the floater was having trouble to go down. Here you see, it start again. It's really crazy. And I'm not making some water. I still have it in the hand. And yeah, the one that I removed, I guess that here, this part here does not move correctly. And it was turning on for like 5 to 10 minutes non-stop, having this stupid noise. So I can only recommend you, if you have this kind of shitty system that is making a lot of noise, to buy the Aspen. It's a green one, lime or whatever, mini lime or mini green Silence Plus, but it is the 5th generation. That's the one that I have. So it is again doing some noise, crazy shit. Whereas the other one you don't hear at all, so crazy. So I ordered 2 other. It's about 100 euro per piece, and yeah, it is said to do a noise of about 16 dBA, This one is said to be about 22 dBA, but the difference is really, really noticeable. So this piece of crap here, when the guy who install it will come to do the maintenance, I will give it to them and say, I'm really not happy that you install me this kind of piece of crap. 3 years ago, 3 years, 3 summertime, where I cannot really turn this on in the evening or in the night when the weather is really hot. And now I can. Well, at least for one. Now I need to change the two other. But yeah, it is really, really working. It is making less noise. See you. Bye.